How much do you think this productivity is being helped or hampered at the moment by forms of your sort of technology?
Well, we see it as a huge gain in terms of productivity, but also effectiveness. So it's not simply about being more efficient, it's about having better conversations. We really decode the human conversation to look at what's effective and what's not, and we use artificial intelligence to help train and maximize reps' performance.
When we talk about kind of this future of artificial intelligence, most people, I think, go a lot way overboard and envision this sort of, land of robots. But how much human involvement still has to be sort of a part of this in order to make it effective?
Yeah, a lot. The simple answer is a ton. So what we've done is we take hundreds of millions of conversations, we decode those conversations, and then we utilize managers, part of their workflow, to actually evaluate the algorithms. So as part of their normal process, they're actually training the machine. So there's a lot of human element to it, but that's how you actually get artificial intelligence.
Obviously there is this ongoing debate about whether technologies, robots, AI, automation will destroy jobs. And like people say, oh, there's kiosks in McDonald's now and you can just order from there. But the other day I was in there and the kiosks had a help wanted sign on them, so I'm not totally sure. In the experience of your clients and customers, what's the impact on their own labor force?
It's massive. We're seeing that by using our technology, they're actually able to perform better and quite a bit better. So by providing them information, by providing them insight in how they're performing, and then giving them coaching that's powered by the artificial intelligence, we see them maximizing the results. So while certain tasks are mundane and really can be automated away, the artificial intelligence really helps surface those learning moments and trains the reps to be far more effective. Listen, we all don't really love having customer support on the phone or a sales rep on the phone. We help maximize their performance. We help them be better at connecting with individuals.
But Howard, are people losing their jobs at the companies that you're helping with, or are they hiring more people because they're becoming more effective and therefore can scale better?
Listen, there's no doubt that some people won't work out in the workforce, but what we're seeing is we're actually seeing lower performers perform better with the help of artificial intelligence, really helping them maximize their performance, and it's making a huge difference.
What industries do you think are going to be most receptive to this type of technology?
We see industries like high tech, healthcare, fintech, any area where a human is really involved both in the sales process and customer support. Look, when I want to talk to a company, I want a human being, and I want to interact with somebody who understands what I need and is there to help me. And that human experience can't be done with a machine.
When we hear about, everyone sees stories like half of all jobs could be automated away. Is this the kind of thing where it's like regardless of the impact on labor, where it's get more like a frog in boiling water? It's like one day we'll look around and it's like this technology is everywhere, because the way people depict it is that one day it's going to get smart and it's just here, but is it going to be a more subtle and ongoing force than perhaps we realize?
Yeah, I think it's more subtle and ongoing. It's a process of, look, human beings are good at a lot, and we have the ability to have emotions, have the ability to actually make reason. Machines can't do that yet. They don't have the ability to connect or build rapport yet.
Yeah, and they don't have the ability to be news anchors yet either.
They certainly do not. Thank goodness.
Okay.